Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be doing the 2020 garden season. We're going to start. We had a couple dry days in a row finally, and we're going to till the field up. We're also going to lay some ground cover down, some sunbelt ground cover. You guys really going to like how that works. Eliminates the weeds. You do not have a weed problem at all with that down. And we'll show you guys everything from burning it to burning the holes in it to plant the plants. But right now, let's get at this tilling so we can get this ground tore up. All right, come on, let's go. All right, we got the tiller all hooked up here. We got a king cutter if you guys are interested in that. I already tilled one row to make sure it was working good. And you know, let's get her going. We're gonna start tilling some more. Take you guys along with this. This is our finished product after tilling. Two decent rows here, and we're going to put some black sunbelt ground cover down on these guys now. All right, as you see here, this is your finished product after you put this sunbelt ground cover down. I leave a little gap in between the plant corn and some onions. Other than that, this is pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. If you come with me, I'll show you how to do this row. Alright, first thing I do, line up where you're going to start. And then you put two of these ground staples in, one on each corner. Then you just walk her back. As soon as you reach the end down here, make sure she's tight. At your end points, you just put another staple in there on each side. And then we're going to burn this end off, because if you cut it, it'll fray. All right, now that you got these staples put in, let's take the torch as close as you get to the staple. Cut it that way. And that's your finished product. And you do the same thing with the rest of the rows. Now, when you take these staples, you gotta put them on the corners. You see, I got a staple there, and I go all the way down. I have staples. There's a staple there, another staple right there, and I do that all the way down on each side. Pick them staples up on Amazon. They're called landscape staples. They're like 20 bucks for 200 of them. Pretty cheap. Well, there you have it. That's all she wrote on this one. Make sure you guys tune back in and see future videos. We start planting these. We got to burn little holes in them, and we'll plant along the way. This will be for the 2020 garden year. You guys make sure you watch.